I'm not doing this right with the hello. Y'all niggas do this bro. Anyways, hold on, let's just pause right there. Wagwan, you don't know what this already. Mr. Marang, welcome back to the channel. And today, you can see by the light vibes and the and a little so yeah, we're doing something very retarded and them way there. So today we're doing Jamaican ASMR. Now if you don't know what ASMR is, I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know what ASMR stand for.
You stupid.
They're not. Okay, so it's supposed to mean autonomous.
You stupid.
Sensory meridian response. Alright, so it says coined in 2010, ASMR, whatever I just said, is a relaxing, often sedative sensation that begins on the scalp and moves down the body. So basically, what it is, someone does, you know, whether whispering, tapping a mic, doing or something like that, it's supposed to send like a chill down your spine. So today, me see yo, people can do it. I make sounds, people are tap microphone and them thing there. So why not do it with Jamaican products, which one we can pick up here. So me have it in a Milo. Shit. Me have the bully beef. That's what we said, that's stuff record. Yeah. So today I'm gonna tap some shit for you. Alright, if y'all like this, you want to see more of this, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share it to their granny. And then we are there. So you know she can fall asleep. You know most fall asleep from this. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know most drop asleep. But if you do drop asleep, then you know I'm gonna do something right in my life. You seen? But anyways, let's go over the video. Alright, so first things first. We're gonna start whisper, you see. We can make you see something around this. Alright, so we're gonna start whispering them way there. We're gonna pick up one of them copy. You know what them copy use for? And this your friend them drink boom or whatever they mix boom with. Sometimes when they take white rum and Pepsi for the uncle them out there, you see or no? Mix and you see, when you drink out of this way too. Because some eyes and I walk around party, that's a sip so like some that. So no man. Satisfaction, yeah. You see if I'm gonna drink out of this, just know say my game girl bun. Enough bun too. And then a regular bun he might get neither. That's a hard bun. I talk about the man. I walk round. Holla. Feel up then granny. And then granny shiver up boom boom. Them type of bun they might get. Because we have the fish seasoning. Before the focus that been alright it focus. Why me take out the fish seasoning? Come and don't say no fish I watch this. I joke me I make. Alright, just come. Yo, subscribe it. Make sure you subscribe, you know. God, I know me, I'll do more of them, yeah. I must see about 3 times I rub my finger against the mic and you hear the pfft. I didn't hear it. It's alright, though. What the fuck, that's it. So where we have? I know if I hear some more video of them. See them saw smile. Here look like Guess what this make? At Malaysia this make. Package down at Kingston. Whatever this. Next we have the butter bean them. If this is so nice, I know say I go back still. Shanwa. Yo, so while we're there, you seen? Just go and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, add me on Snapchat, more some more friend. See socials them right there, so. Would I hear none? Yo, maybe no if I don't want more of them, yo. Coming out like it's kind of fun still, you see? Why? Alright, we done with the pork nuts something now. This is no pork nuts and this is about to be made. We have bully beef. I don't know why them buy the Excelsior bully beef like the crisp one, no better than that, but anyways. Now if you get to you them, I don't know how the gonna have service out my video them. But when I have black food on the yard, or on a light bill one pay. Go pay the light bill for me get big some box it down. Unless you have no gun power, then me and a bad man. Yo, me not even say that mother. Bad man. If this is so, what I said earlier, if this is so nice, you know, see me I go bex. Because all go on. Me there on a kitchen and look for food, different something for top up, like say me a idiot. Put that right belly with the scope on it. Is there? From me say, yo, a bow, gunshot, finish the lyrics now. Yeah, right there. Come on, someone now. Why they call it water crackers, but then try. Like why you no call it water crackers? But if you no drink no water nor no tea with the water crackers, me start a joke. Why a funny joke too, but explain that to me. this video with no water. And the boy did choke his father God. Mr. Dead Sir. Next up we have some mackerel. Nice spicy mackerel to you. To you feel say. You feel watch it. Watch it. Oh, you can't see. Mackerel. It's a classic but hot and spicy. Hot and spicy. Yeah man, right here. I hear nothing good. Mackerel, 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 mackerel. Hungry, 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 hungry. What granny say? Go drink. Go drink. Go drink some tea. Your food not hurt you. Go drink some tea. A gas stain in your food. Me don't know a gas reaching in your food, but go drink your tea.